Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview 10-foot by 30-inch frame pool with reinforced sidewalls. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in above-ground pool. This pool the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. A durable, yet lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Use this frame pool summer after summer. Add a touch of color to your summer family party. Product benefits. The pool kit includes filter pump. A 3-ply PVC support band surrounds the pool for additional stability to the pool wall. The frames are applied with a rust and corrosion-resistant coating to protect the pool from UV and abrasion damage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.